So what we got in front of us right now is the OptiFlex Pro-B. This features the latest controller, which is the CG21. It has the latest gun, which is the Gema 4, and also the latest powder pump, which is the IG07. So when you are ready to use your system, there's a lot of key features that you need to check for before you start. So with your gun itself, make sure it is unplugged or de-energized. And we'll start with the front of the gun, which is our collar that holds our nozzle and electrode assembly. This is your powder nozzle. And what you're going to look for is just some obvious signs of wear and tear. If it doesn't look like it should, then definitely change it, because that will definitely give you better results if you do change it. If not, you may not achieve the results you're looking for. Next is the electrode, which will sit up against the gun there. And what you're going to look for is, again, obvious signs of wear and tear. The little electrode wire you should be able to feel with your tip of your finger. And also the electrode housing itself. Just look around it for any obvious signs of wear. And on the back side of the electrode, on the conductive ring, you're going to look for, again, some excessive wear. Again, if that is excessively worn, you're not going to get full kV out of that. Also inside, you've got the bar inside. If that looks like it needs to be changed, then definitely is a good time to change it. We're going to put that back together. Next, we're going to go to our powder hose and rinse air. What you want to do is slide the collar back and pull back on the powder tube itself. And what you'll see is you're going to see two O-rings. These are actually conductive O-rings, and they are a special O-ring. And a lot of people will change them and go to the hardware store and pick something similar size, and you will find that the gun is not going to react the way you want, because they are again a conductive O-ring, and they should be changed if you do see some wear. As for the powder tube, if you do see a kink on the end or some spots close to the end here, you can actually cut it off and reinsert it on the tube. For your rinse air, same things apply. Just look for kinks in the tubing. Again, if the kink is near the gun, you can trim it and reinsert it. The cable itself is very important to check for. Is, again, kinks or some of the jacket is removed. Definitely check that before you go ahead. To put the tube back in, just slide that back. Insert it, and you're good to go. That's pretty much on the gun itself. Now we're going to move to the powder pump, which is the IG07 powder pump. Same rules apply. This one here has a benefit, easy access. You press the button, pull the tube off, put that off to the side, and you pull your insert out. And this is a common part that should get checked all the time. What you're going to look for is, again, obvious signs of wear and tear. You can squeeze it, make sure it hasn't gone flimsy. Also, there is a tool that comes with your unit. And what you're going to do is you're going to insert that, and it should not go all the way to the bottom of that tool. You can just do it a couple times, and that will tell you that your insert is still good. If your insert goes all the way through, then definitely you have to change that. What you're going to have, if your insert is worn, you're going to get a lot of pulsing and surging coming out of your powder, and that is the cause of your issue. So again, with your tool, just go around and check to make sure that this tool does not go all the way through. You can also get some shop air, just give it a quick little blow, make sure there's no impact fusion powder in there. Insert it back in. Grab your tube. snaps into place. And that's it on the powder pump. There are filters in here which you can periodically change. They don't need a replacement for a significant amount of time as long as your air is clean. But you can periodically pull these apart, grab some shop air, blow them through, and put them back. They are color-coded for your conveyance air. Next, since we're talking about clean air, we can now go to check the inlet air filter to make sure that is good. Here we come to the air inlet filtration, and this is a very important part of your powder coating system. This is going to filter out oil and water before it gets to the airflow system. And what you want to do here is disconnect your air pressure line from here. Now you can basically unscrew the filter bowl, and for video purposes, I've unthreaded most of it. And in there, you will get, when you do get some oil or water, you can manually turn the dial, and that will open up the drain. And to close it, just twist it back. You can put that to the side. And under here, you will find the filter element, which you can replace. And putting it back together is just in reverse order of what you've done. That concludes the first video of many more to come. If you have any further questions about your Gema powder coating system, please contact your local location and we will be glad to help you. Thank you very much.